Today we will talk about how can you enable reviews email notifications on your Hotels Banco app. We will to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, just go down, click here on account, then you come to this list, and all you have to do, just click here on communications. Then you come to next here, then all you have to do, just click here on hotels.com. Then you come to this list, you click here on reviews here. Then you come to this list. So then all you have to do, you just click here in this sign or email here. Like you see this scholarship for us, you click here on update. Then it's going to enable with us here. So that's all you have to do to enable reviews. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.